today's video I'm going to tell you what should you do to rank your product. So this topic is almost about ranking a product. I'm taking a sample of hairdressing scissors, and I have selected this scissor because its reviews or ratings are 2372. I'm going one by one to discuss with you the different components of the listings. First of all, after the brand name, which is Lictin, there should come more high volume keyword in the start, which is hairdressing scissors. If I copy hairdressing scissors and go to your new tab, you can see the loads of scissors are here. You can see one by one. This is also on the top, which I show you this scissor. Now come back to the point. Then this is the second most high search volume, which is hair thinning scissors set. Again, if I copy that one and go to hair thinning scissors set, and you will see loads of scissors are coming. Now this is with the hair thinning scissors set, this is coming on the top, which is Lictin, and after that loads of, and by the way, this is organic, not the advertised link. Come back to the point. And the hair scissors, again, very nice keyword. Then it's dimension, then it's extra, mean if any accessories like is a case or box with that, then it's come the again the component included, and then the hair clip, so everything is included. And then after that you can see his pictures, his 3D pictures, zoomable pictures, everything is very good in quality. Then is one black comb, second one, then a hair clipper, and this is the bag, very presentable pictures. Now go to the second picture, then is a more practical pictures and more real life pictures. You can see it's very nice pictures. You have to do graphic designing, so you need to hire a graphic designer to help you. Okay, after title and then product images, then number third come key features or the bullet points or key features like about this item. Although according to me these the 4 key features are more in detail, and obviously no any customer going to read all this detailed. This should be a like that, the small one line or max 1.5 line key features for this. So durable materials is its key feature, sharp blades is a key feature, and design is its key feature, is a all-in-one cutting scissor kit. So this should be a less, no more detail. Then after that is from the brand, and then the product description is there. You can see more lifestyle images in product description, you can see. And after that you need to add all these technical details. According to my point of view, these technical details are less. There should be more technical details. Lot more should come, and this is the bestseller rank BSR, and then this is a node standing is there. So improvement should come here, and after that you can see question and answer will come. So these are the reviews. You need to read the reviews starting from 1 star, and then more recent, to learn what are the flaws in your listings and you need to improve. For example, this is do not buy, these scissors are defective, don't waste your time and money. This is discounted as they know they are manufacturer defect. What is the defect? So you can see here, look here. So you need to look after this, so, and then so on, going these things. So this is the review for this Caesar, that how you need to build your listings professionally. Hopefully you will learn this video and you understood this video, and then you learn from this sample listings quality, and then you will improve accordingly. Thank you very much.